Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Turn the machine off and raise the needle to its highest position. Remove the presser foot and foot holder if obstructing the spool. Select a medium-weight polyester thread and fit a 90/14 needle for general fabrics. Place the spool on the spindle and secure any spool cap that prevents slipping. Raise the presser foot to release the tension discs and make threading smoother. Keep scissors and tweezers handy for trimming and guiding the thread precisely. Bring the thread through the upper thread guide and down to the tension discs. Wrap the thread between the tension discs and pull it gently to seat it. Continue following the machine's marked path and loop the thread through the take-up lever from right to left. Guide the thread down the needle bar channel toward the needle area. Thread the needle from front to back, leaving about 4 inches of tail to start sewing. Lower the presser foot and trim excess thread if needed before testing. Wind a bobbin with the same thread to ensure consistent tension and color. Place the wound bobbin into the bobbin case with the thread feeding clockwise, following the machine's diagram. Pull the thread through the bobbin case slot and leave a short tail. Turn the handwheel toward you 2 full revolutions to lower and raise the needle and catch the bobbin thread. Pull both threads to the back under the presser foot. Sew a test swatch and adjust top or bobbin tension.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.